Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. We're going to do a quick video walk-around tour, show you some of the features, and if you're interested in getting additional information, you can always reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com. So this 2022 model comes in a white exterior, and we have a beige interior. Got heated seats, both driver and passenger, as well as the memory seats here on the driver's side. Driver's seat, steering wheel. Notice the wood grain accent trim throughout the vehicle. Mileage currently just over 10,000 on this here. We've got a push button ignition. And here we have our touchscreen display loading up. And currently showing radio and backup camera. And of course you can control this using the touchscreen itself. You've also got controls right here on your steering wheel and a touchpad here at your center console. You can all use those to make adjustments on your display. Below the display we have our climate controls here. We've got some quick access buttons to access radio, telephone, vehicle settings, and whatnot. And we have our shifter. Alright, taking a look at our rear seats here next. And this really nice two-tone beige and then wood grain trim. Rear seats, lots of room back here. Quick peek back up front. And we'll come around to the back here next, show you the trunk. We've got our GLC 300, Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Some new all-weather mats here. Lots of storage, and you can easily flip down those rear seats, just push of a button there, in case you need a little extra storage. And then push button to close. So this is the 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC, white exterior, beige interior. If you're interested in learning more about this vehicle or even setting up a test drive, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.